to Vidya Vihar Senior Secondary School, a world-class school situated in the lush green pollution-free area of Chittorgarh. An educational institution with a vision to provide the highest quality of education in a safe, healthy and nurturing environment. Here the students are prepared to take on the challenges of daily changing world.
आज के 35 वर्ष पहले शिक्षाविद आर के शर्मा साहब ने स्टार्ट किया था और आज इसको 35 वर्ष पूरे हो गए हैं और ये अपने अच्छे उच्चतम शिखर पर पहुंच चुका है। इसमें सभी फैकल्टीज पढ़ाई जाती है, विज्ञान, वाणिज्य, कला और सभी अच्छे विषय का अध्ययन इसमें कराया जाता है।
Here at Vidya Vihar Senior Secondary School, we strongly believe that every child is special. Every single kid has unique skill and talent. We have designed the curriculum here at Vidya Vihar Senior Secondary School to nurture your child's talent to perfection so that they can take on the world in the coming days. Vidya Vihar Senior Secondary School is one of the few premier institutions in Chittorgarh which is English and Hindi medium co-educational school as well as affiliated to RBSC.
In 1999-2000, it raised at secondary level. Then 2006-2007, it raised on senior secondary level. First commerce, then arts, and ultimately 2011-12, we provided for citizens science and science bio.
Vidya Vihar Senior Secondary School is a place where passion and commitment is the key to make bright, innovative and progressive torchbearers of the nation. Here the students learn competition, collaboration and cooperation. Learning here at Vidya Vihar Senior Secondary School is not merely wrought in nature, rather than our qualified mentors make learning fun. We give great emphasis on the concept understanding with relevant examples. The students are encouraged to ask their doubt freely and anytime. For the first time in your very own city Chittorgarh, the school is providing its student world-class infrastructure, high educational program, well-trained experienced teacher and stresses on personal grooming.
शहर में काफ़ी जाने माने टीचर हमारे जो प्रिंसिपल साहब हैं दिनेश लाल जी डांगी, वो खुद बहुत मानी हुई हस्ती हैं और एक बहुत ही अनुभवी प्रिंसिपल हैं। मैथ्स के अंदर जो गोयल साहब हैं वो रिटायर्ड हैं, बहुत ही एक्सपीरियंस्ड हैं। कौशल साहब हैं जो अप टू 10th लेवल मैथ्स पढ़ाते हैं और सभी प्रकार की स्ट्रीम में हम काम कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि आर्ट्स, कॉमर्स, साइंस, सभी स्ट्रीम अवेलेबल है और स्कूल भी नर्सरी से लेकर 12th तक है।
The campus is highly hygienic and has lush green surroundings. The state-of-the-art infrastructure encourages the students to actively engage in education as well as extracurricular activities of the school. At Vidya Vihar Senior Secondary School, we want your child to have all-round personality development. Regular speech and extempore competitions are held at regular intervals. To keep your child healthy, yoga and meditation techniques are taught here at Vidya Vihar Senior Secondary School campus. The cultural and our great heritage values are taught here to the students, therefore molding them into upcoming responsible citizens of tomorrow. Vidya Vihar Senior Secondary School offers the best equipped labs for the students. The Biology Lab, Physics Lab, and the chemistry lab. All the three labs are aimed to carry out experiments under the guidance of experienced and fully dedicated mentors. The school also provides safe, secure and affordable transport facility for your child. At Vidya Vihar Senior Secondary School, we carry out various events to give the students exposure to the outside world. Regular English speaking classes takes place in the campus to develop fluency in spoken English of the students. Parents' involvement is highly motivated by the school management here at Vidya Vihar Senior Secondary School. That is why school organizes parents-teacher meeting where the progress of students is evaluated at regular interval from time to time. Frequent class picnics, educational tours are organized by school to give its students exposure to outside world. Vidya Vihar Senior Secondary School is proud of its students and as well as facilitates its meritorious students who bring laurels to the school. Every year our students are showing exemplary result in 10th and 12th boards. We inspire every individual to be the best through holistic approach. So give your child wings to fly high in the sky. So enroll your child today only in Vidya Vihar Senior Secondary School and give your child the chance they deserve. Admissions open.